We'll guide you through how to make a project tracker on monday.com. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, launch Google Chrome or any web browser of your choice, and make sure you have a stable internet connection before accessing monday.com. Once your browser is ready, go to monday.com by entering the website address into the address bar and waiting for the homepage to load completely. Click Go to My Account to open the sign-in page and access your workspace. Choose the login method that you want to use. For this example, sign in with your email address. Enter your email address in the required field and verify that it is entered correctly before proceeding. Next, type your password into the password field associated with your account. After reviewing your login credentials and confirming that the information is correct, click Login to access your monday.com account. Open the board that you want to use. To create a project tracker in monday.com, make sure that your board already contains tasks. For this example, use tasks with sub-items. To track your project progress, click the plus icon next to an existing column in the sub-items section. In the search bar, type Progress Tracking to quickly find the column option that you want to add to your board. Click Progress Tracking from the search results to add the column to your board, making it available for tracking the completion progress of your sub-items. You have now successfully added the Progress Tracking column, and it is ready to be used. To use the Progress Tracking column, change the status of your sub-items to Done. You can now see the progress automatically update to 100% when all sub-items are marked as done. If you want to display the progress tracking on the parent task, click the three-dot menu on the Progress Tracking column. Select Show Summary on Parent Item. You can now view the overall progress of your parent task based on the completion status of its sub-items.